So, I have made like a few pretty cool games for the basic programming language so far. And I think that it is time to show you the first ever game I ever made ever. And it wasn't actually on BASIC. So let me show you what it actually was. This is Python. I just dropped something. This is Python, and I have not played on Python and probably, I've not used Python in a very long time. So yeah. Yeah, wait a second. I still need to get my bearings on this. Alright. There we go. We're just going to be doing a quick playthrough of my game. And yeah, that's good. Hello, welcome to House. It's an adventure game thingy. I hope you have fun. Okay, go. You find a big house in front of you. Should you look inside? Yes or no? Let's go. Yes. Go inside the house. There are two doors laid evenly apart. Which door to take? I'm just gonna take the right door. Walk to the right door. You find a broom set diagonally against the corner of the room. You take it. You decide to pick it up. Back to the hallway. For now, there's no use in going back to the other room. Off to the left we go. You go into the room. It's dark and gloomy. You turn on a nearby light switch and a skeleton appears. Fight to survive. So it kind of has like a kind of fighting engine thingy. I didn't know how to actually, deal with variables. So what I actually did is just made a bunch of different paths, and if you do this choice, then you get this path. Okay, so we're going to heal. Oh, I'm fully healed. Oh no. 22 damage. Alright, so use it. Last you can't use it for this turn. Just type F. Alright, so F. Critical hit. After the skeleton returns to the chair, you see another door behind him. You could go through the door or go down the hallway you came from and see what else is there. So, we are going to go into the hallway. You enter the hallway. It seems to be getting slightly lighter the further you go into it. At the end of the hallway, there's a lock. 12, 15, 3, 11. There's also a note attached. The numbers are that of the letters. Number substitution cipher. The note goes on, but you get too lazy to read the part that actually tells you the actual code. Well, time to figure it out yourself. So basically, how this works is like A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3. So this says lock. Here. Wow, first try, congrats. Here's a secret to help you. Left is armor. Okay, cool. Then, just before your very eyes, the lock code seeps into the wall slowly, and out comes two doors on each side. You want to take the left or the right one? So, you see how this said left is armor? Ah, wow, would you look at that, a huge set of armor. You put it all on one by one. Behind the armor, you see a chamber. It has the number 1 on it. Along with that, there's a note right below it. It reads, shift back 1 letter. You figure that you have to put in the code into a word padlock that's right next to you. What is the code? And I don't remember what the code is, so I'm going to cheat. So the code was that. The code is continue. Good to know. You typed in the word and a dinging sound played. The wall then moves to the side. One half moves right, the other left, kind of like a door opening. This reveals another chamber with the letter 2 on the wall and a riddle stuck to a metal plate that's on the door. It reads, "What rat do you call something that follows you? Copies everything you do, and is there at daylight but disappears at night. After getting the question wrong, a hand comes out of the floor and slaps you, giving you a heart attack and killing you." That was just a placeholder because I never actually finished this game. Okay, I never finished the game. So yeah, that is the first game I ever made in Python. I hope you enjoyed, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye! That was the end of the video. I'm glad you stayed in. I hope you enjoyed the show. Even though it was kind of short, it was fun, and I hope you enjoyed the show.